When we pick an ad hoc or a financial report in Pivotier and choose to run it by hitting F11 Show Report or F9 in the role-tailored client, the report is executed and rendered and displayed in the Microsoft Report Viewer control. Here's a customer ledger entry report example, and as you'll notice, we have 2 pages in this report, and we can scroll between pages, go to the very last page in the report or the very first page in the report, as we can manage all the printer properties and printing destinations. There's a page setup window. In addition, we have the ability to search for text on the report, so let's look for information related to the Canon group. Hit the find, and as you'll see, we've gone to the second page of the report. You'll also notice that in Pivotier, we give you the ability to display the page number and the last page number in your header and footer. I can hit next to search for the next occurrence of the search text, and so on. Additional options we have in every Pivotier report, since we use the Microsoft Report Viewer control, is the ability to publish those reports either as Excel or PDF documents. Let's go ahead and do both. And then we go to my desktop and quickly look at the results produced by publishing this customer ledger entry report to Excel and PDF. Okay, as you can see, when we published to Excel, we preserved all the formatting properties that were set up in Dynamics NAV Pivotier, the header information, and then since we had a header, we've automatically separated that in Excel, and then notice all the formatting data is preserved, as are elements like ensuring that code fields are sent over as textual information. Number of fields are sent over as numeric information. And we've also preserved the ability to drill down back into Dynamics NAV in the Excel document. And just to emphasize, these are a series of numeric values that were published from the report viewer into Excel. And as you can notice at the bottom, they're summing up accordingly as numeric values. Let's go ahead and take a look at the PDF we produced. And in this case, you'll notice, again, we preserved the formatting of the report. We did render this report and publish in PDF in portrait, not the original landscape. And of course, we should change that in the report viewer and republish in landscape to preserve the original horizontal layout we had. But again, key elements are we defined and set up data, and all the exporting maintained the original formatting controls, including colors, negative numbers in red, and so on. So to summarize, all Pivotier reports use the Microsoft Report Viewer, and all data is selected and then rendered within the Microsoft Report Viewer control using report definition language, thereby giving you all the power and appeal of highly formatted, colorful, dynamic, and content-rich reports out of your Dynamics NAV ERP system.